Hello? Hello? I'm not. Welcome to another episode of Notte Game. I'm your host, Not. I'm Not. And today, we're gonna start programming. Yo. Hi. Following up this. Now here we have our requirements. And let me pull up the programming. Yes. As you can tell, this is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. I'm sorry, it's not Vim. It's not Notepad plus plus. This is just Visual Studio. Now we already have some pre-made code here, which I have no idea what it does, but it's supposed to be a framework to, well, make an application for a desktop application for Windows. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to basically try out some things, cry when it doesn't work, and keep on doing it until it maybe works. So the first things first is I want to build. I'm gonna build. I'm gonna see what this actually does. I have no clue what all of this C++ is working for. I mean, I could go through it. I could read it, but I want to try it out. I don't even know if it works. I'm gonna build Notte Game, and it's gonna tell us at the bottom here. You're not seeing the bottom here, are you? No, you're not. You're not? No, I'm not. Let's fix that. You? No. That is the wrong window. Hang on. Smaller, become smaller. No, not you either. Is it you? You. Did I? Yes, I can. Okay, that's pretty small. We're gonna have to live with it. Can I fit you in the corner here? Sorta. Close enough. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty small. It'll have to do. It's okay, you can't read anyway? Yeah, that's fine. It's fine then. Imagine being able to read. It couldn't be me. Okay, so this thing pretty much says the build works. Okay. Which means I get to go into the repository that all of this code is stored in. And we do a little bit of background file browsing, which you won't be able to see here. So I'll be like talking about how I'm going through some folders that I won't be showing. And I'm gonna run it. If I can find where it's stored. It tells me, yes, that's right. Debug nottegame.exe. Recipe? Huh? That's, hang on, it's what? Did I forget to read something? Am I forgetting to read something very important? Like, I organized everything here. I mean, you get to see the file directory, I guess. It's true. Forget what I said like 2 minutes ago about how I'm going through files that you can't see, because, I mean, you're seeing basically everything already right here. Oh. One success, right? There's not much. Not sure why it's... Oh, recipe file though. Debug. Should I like rename it and go, no, I'm gonna rename it and run it. No, it can't even run. Okay. It's obviously... What do you call it? Oh. No, I'm good. Okay. Well, maybe I'm in the wrong. Am I in the wrong thing? Hang on, I'm in the wrong thing. Yeah, I'm in the wrong thing. Okay. Here we are. Alright, I found it. I found the right thing. Oh, perfect. It works. It works as intended. Okay. This is very helpful. Check this out. Check this out. We got something going. Oh, actually. Yeah. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. Look. Look, chat. It's a blank screen. It's white. It's completely white. Imagine that. I know. It's revolutionary. Look at what we were able to make. Let's go. We did it. So that's kind of what's going on right now. It's kind of bright. That's true. I wonder what we can do here. Let's take a look at what we can do to edit things. Let's see. Background color window. Let's see. That is the background. And okay. This is the window class, and this is the size. So I kind of expect this to be the background color. I could be very wrong. I think this is what you want to adjust. So this is color window plus 1. It's a very strange... I don't know what that means. We're gonna ignore that. Let's see what else is important here. Alright, everything is important. Oh right, there's a couple things you can't see. There's a couple things you can't see. So I can actually skip that for you and show that off. Let's get... We have... no. That's fine. Okay. I can just describe it to you. So, there's a little bit more going on here. Right now, this application that's showing only blank screen actually has, at the top of the corner, it has the application name, it has the icon, and it has a file and a help. And so this file has an exit option, and this help tool has an about. And if I click the about, it'll show you another window pop up that tells you this is not game, and it's version 1.0. Very useful. But otherwise, yeah, blank screen. Not that great. So let's see if changing this plus 1 does anything. Let's see what happens if I do plus 1,000. Surely that won't break it. I want to build not game again. Actually, first of all, I need to close not game here, so we're going to close that. You're going to use DirectX, right? I already made it to 1.0. Wow, I know, right? Well, this actually really can't be called 1.0. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be using DirectX. I think... No, actually, I don't think we're gonna need DirectX. Maybe. Because, like, this is very bare bones. This is legitimately just what do you call it? For now, anyway. I just want to get text on the screen going and maybe some buttons at best. So, no need. Let's see here. We want okay, right. I was going to build Notte Game again. And something is obviously wrong. We got an error here. So let's see what's going on. That's not great. Do I have to go back here and change it again? Okay. That's strange. Suddenly something is wrong. But it's not on mine. I don't think I've done anything wrong with programming. I barely touched anything. Let me clean. Clean. Okay, yeah. Clean. I have to clean first. My bad. I need to build it again. Okay, now we're getting errors. Getting errors now. Let's undo everything. Undo everything. Save it. Save it. Clean it. Rebuild. Oh, okay, rebuild works. Rebuild works. I get it. Okay, then I can clean it. Clean it again. Then let me go back and where's the yeah, where's the background? Let's add 10,000. And we're gonna rebuild. Alright, that succeeded. So let's see what that does to the background. Oh, well, that does absolutely nothing. So this obviously doesn't help us. This makes no sense whatsoever. Which means I'm gonna go and actually look up a proper tutorial because that explains what's going on. And good thing Microsoft actually has a tutorial up and ready. So I'm pulling that right up. And I have it in the background here. So I'm gonna tab out from this thing, whatever this is, and pull up a good walkthrough. And we have a code example right here. Let's see what the difference is between the example that I'm provided and whatever this thing is here. Actually, I could probably make a new file. Make a new file. We can make a new cancel. You know? Yeah, let's go super simple actually. HBrush is probably for a panel. HBrush. Ah, yeah. Yeah. You can search this online, which is actually quite nice with Visual Studio. Allow me to copy and paste this instead. This is what the tutorial suggests. So this is the Hello Windows desktop app, right? And it includes all these libraries for C++. And it's called desktop app. If I save this, it's still going to be called nottegame.cpp. And of course you have, okay, all of these very similar, what do you call them again? class variables. If I go back here, okay, you'll see the same thing. All of that. Oh no, this is still the desktop. I'm gonna go back one more. Yeah, if you check this, check all of these out, right? My register class here. I have to go back, go forward a couple times, scroll back up. Yeah, this is it's in the one main instead of class, actually. Well, no, it's kind of declared a little bit different here. Alright, that's fair enough. Yeah, same stuff here. And we have an instance here, so this stores some global variables, okay. And okay, we have all of this, all of this, positioning parent window. It does not have a menu bar, which is perfectly fine for us. And okay, this is the first parameter. So I can actually add some extra parameters right now, like this parameter, right? And I can say, where is each instance actually? Where is it located in? Ah, alright. So window has some H instance variable that I have to grab. Okay. So I have to put something in here. Like maybe the funny, this is just to make sure I understand what I'm doing. It's here. Let's actually call that parameter random. This should do absolutely nothing. But it should work. Maybe. I could be ruining it completely. Maybe this thing doesn't really like me adding stuff to it. Hopefully not. And then, yeah, this null thing. Actually, yeah, it's probably better not to put anything here. You're right. Maybe I could store something here, but I don't want to mess with whatever this is right now. So we'll keep that, yeah. See, there was a red underline, which probably means I'm like messing something up. Okay. When prop, and perp is a function, and it processes messages from the main window. So this paints the main window, and it is supposed to put message in return. Okay. I think this is what we want to mess around with. Let's see, so we're gonna paint a message, and it's going to say hello Windows desktop in the top left corner. And so this is text out with we paint text out in location 5.5, so that's I believe that's just kind of like 5 pixels down and to the right of the top left corner. And it's going to print out this greeting, and then it's going to end painting after printing out all the greetings. Then it's going to break. Yeah, just a quick message in return. I'm not sure what this case is for yet, but I want to check out greeting. Where is greeting? Let's check out greeting. Where do we have that? What is it? Okay, aha. So fixed character greeting, right? So I want to change this. I'm gonna say not game. I'm gonna save that. We're doing a project, and we're gonna go into build again. We're gonna clean the game, and we're gonna rebuild it. And argument conversion from size t to int is a possible loss of data. No, I don't care about that. Okay, so that succeeded. Which means if I go back in here and pull up Notte Game, we're going to see something very, very interesting happen. Are you guys seeing this? We just got text on the screen. Let's see, no, you guys are not seeing it anymore. Here we are. Yeah, here. Look at that. Look at that. We got text. We got text going on. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. That's not game. Let's go! I know, right? So, with this in mind, yeah, huge. I know, huge. I'm gonna remove this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this. And I'm gonna exit out. There's a couple things we need to change because right here, the message box is null and it says Windows desktop guided to action. Now we want to go back. Where is it? Right, static text character title, right? So this title should say not game. You guys won't be seeing this, but anybody running the game will be seeing it. Okay, now background image. No, I'm not going to be messing with background images yet. We're going to be messing with text and variables. I'm actually not sure where we should like put all the variables, so I'm going to find out real quick. Also, I want to. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna clean and I'm gonna rebuild. I'm gonna tell you if it works. You guys won't see this, but it should work. Yep. Alright, perfect. That works as intended. Where was I? Right. I'm not sure if I want to make more CPP files that I refer to instead of like keeping everything in just one big folder. I mean, sorry, not one big folder, just one big file. It's probably bad practice to keep everything in one big single file. The way I learned how to program stuff was, well, you make something, and you make that thing, right? And it does this one thing, right? This thing is simply in charge of, this thing is actually a little bit big. It's in charge of, making the window and having it pop up. And then, if I want to write text into it, right? Having this extra thing right here, I guess it's fine. It's pretty small, right? But if I want to process, like, do some math or anything, I would, or like, yeah, do some like game formulas and calculations for like damage or stat growth, I would start writing that in another file. That I would, include, right, calculations, CPP or something, or include calculations from calculations, however you do it for C++. And, I would just go, okay, yeah, that works. Hang on, wait a second. This isn't, okay, yeah, this isn't CPP. Okay, good. I'm not blind. So then, let's add more messages here. I'm gonna do a text out. I'm gonna do text out again, right? And HTC. Okay, I don't know what that does. So I'm not gonna bother with that for now, but it looks like that's just something I need to work with in. I'm gonna go down, see 20 pixels, right? 2020. I'm gonna do the second reading. It's gonna do the same thing. Alright. I'm getting a red underline. So I probably need to rename this. No, rename it reading 2. Does that do anything? Is it happy? No, it's not happy. I must have done something very, very wrong. Yes, it prints something out of the top left corner. Here's the text right. Here's the positioning. And here's green. Oh, okay. Then I guess I can't repeat that. If I really wanted to repeat that, then I have to put that in a loop. So I'm just gonna do grading 2, not being 2. And then this should work out, right? No, it doesn't like that. What's going on here? Let me see what the tutorial here says. Switch message, okay. An application typically handles many other messages. For example, WM_create when a window is first created, and WM_destroy when the window is closed. The following code shows a basic but complete windproc function. So this is a result callback windproc, right? And we handle messages and parameters, and we have our greeting here, yes, and switch with the case, right? Right. Okay. Curious. Well, this obviously doesn't work. So... Huh. You know, this is the trouble with, like, not starting from scratch. It's like, oh boy, I sure wonder how any of these things work. Oh... I'm not that great at reading either, chat. I'm not that great at reading, let me tell you. Let's start from the beginning. I'm just hopping in the middle here. That's probably a bad idea too. So alright. So create a desktop project, you know, we went through all these steps. We made it. Yep, recovered, we created the code. Okay. So, you know, every C application has a main function. Let's scroll all the way to the main function. Yep. Here is our main function. If I minimize this, yeah. That's a lot of stuff. So what is this in charge of? Let's see. Alright. It has all of this syntax. And, okay, some parameters. And here's a note here. What does this say? Okay, cool. Some extra notes, not relevant right now. And so Windows desktop programs require Windows.h and tchar.h. Defines the tchar method, which resolves ultimately to wchar_t if the Unicode symbol is defined in your project. Otherwise, it resolves to just char. If you always build with Unicode enabled, you don't need tchar and can use wchar_t directly. And so we include Windows.h and tchar.h, which is right here. So bullet 3, along with the WinMain function, every Windows desktop application has also have a Windows procedure function. This function is typically named WinProc, but you can name it whatever you like. WinProc has the following syntax. Result callback, WinProc, believe this is all the way down here. Here's the L result wind prop. Oh no, callback wind prop, right? And in this function, you write code to handle messages that the application receives from Windows when events occur. Right? For example, if a user chooses an OK button in your application, Windows will send a message to you and you can write code inside your WinProp function that does whatever work is appropriate. It's called handling an event. Okay, so we're gonna go small. I don't understand any of it to begin with. That's totally fair. That's totally fair. We're gonna be doing some computer wizard magic. This is magic in action. Let's see more like what? Can you complete that? Can you complete that sentence? So yeah, we're gonna keep it small for now. It seems like handling an event happens within this thing, this callback, right? So let's make it a case to programming another instruction, another event happening that can be checked for in here somewhere. We're just gonna do a little, make another event. I'm gonna put that in there, right in here. Oh wait, it's not make another event, it's make another handle. Or an event. Another handle. Handle. Let's just call it handling for an event. Another event, yes. Let's see. So how do we add functionality to the WinMain function? Alright, this is important. So in the WinMain function, you populate a structure of type WinClass EX. Okay, let's go all the way back here. So we populate this thing, this little thing here. It's a structure, right? And the structure contains information about the window, right? So the application icon, the background color of the window, the name to display in the title bar, among other things. Importantly, it contains a function pointer to your window procedure. The following example shows a typical WinClass structure. And so we're given some structures. And the size is the size of, okay, sure. And we have all these. This is a very typical. We copied and pasted all of this from the example there that's given. Alright, that makes sense. And then I would like to learn more about this. I'm gonna change the background color actually. It's like super extra of me, but I just want to know how to work about it. So we're gonna open this for more information about the fields of the structure. And I'm gonna wait for the web page to load. And oh boy, there's a lot. Okay, let's scroll all the way down to background. Okay, so HBR background, that is this particular thing right here. And it's a type H brush, a handle to the class background brush. This member can be a handle to the brush to be used for painting the background, or it can be a color value. A color value must be one of the following standard system colors. The value 1 must be added to the chosen color. If a color value is given, you must convert it to one of the following H brush types. Color active border, color active caption, etc. So we just want color background, and oh, we have color window actually. So do we have color window in here? Yes, we have color window in this list. Okay, the system automatically deletes class background brushes when the class is unregistered by using unregistered class. And applications should not delete these brushes. Alright. So when this member is null, an application must paint into the background whatever it is requested to paint in its client area. Alright. color value must be one of... Okay. This member can be handled with a brush to be used for painting background, or it can be a color value. Okay, it can be a color value. What happens if I do, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0? Can I do that? That should give us black. Right? If I clean and if I build, what happens? Nope. Okay, let's argument conversion from size key to int. Oh no, that's fine. Everything succeeded. Never mind, we're good. I was like, huh. Okay, now that's the funny thing with the key char. Yeah. So let's check if this works. I'm gonna go to debug and pop this up. Okay, now the background is still white. Not great. Color window. Color window. What does color window do? That's what I want to see here. So how do you use color window in window background? Okay. Yep. Okay, color window is a number. Okay, so it's already a number. So if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 text code, right? What happens then? I rebuild it. It works. I pop this up. What does that give me? Oh. Okay, it's giving me gray now. Check this out. Let's add that to the... Let me magic it in here. Not you. Yeah, you. Look, it's gray now. It's gray. Huge. That's huge. Let me see what happens if I do hex. What happens if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Actually, no. Probably a really bad idea. It doesn't take in hex code, it just takes in a number. What does that mean? I have no clue. Let's look that up then. What sort of color does... What sort of color value does Windows color actually take in? It's a color window, right? Color window. Color value. Alright, let's see what the internet... What is the RGB color for the window color? Oh, or color background. Okay, perfect. It depends on user settings. Alright, so I should be using something else. So I want to use get system color to retrieve the keyboard value, and then use get R value, get G value, and get B value to retrieve red, green, and blue component values. Aha! Alright. That's an improvement. Alright. I see. So then let's see what the get system color function is. Okay. So winUser.h. Okay, so it's a function from the winUser.h library, which I believe we don't have. Let me fix that. Maybe that works. I think this should be a library we have, right? Can I just willy-nilly add that? Is that okay, or do I not even need to add that? Does it already come with this? Maybe. That's okay. We'll go trial by fire. Pretend pretend I do absolutely nothing. Me flailing around with working something like this for the first time. If you told me to like do something just like console based, like terminal, like how when you open up your command prompt, yeah, I could work something like that. Maybe, but this Windows stuff is new. This is new stuff. But this is huge. Just being able to put text down. You don't know how big that is. The keyword gets system color. Alright. Color background. Color background is not supported for Windows 10 or greater. Okay, cool. Color desktop. Color window background, the associated program colors. Color with the text and color hot light. Okay. So what do I want to do with this? What happens when I get system color? What happens? What happens then? What happens then? Why do I need to do that? I don't know. I wonder if there's an easier way to do this. Can I do like a hex code? Oh, the grab? No. You see this X button right here? It's like, no, you can't do that. I wish like there was something to just grab hex codes and convert that into window color window. What's it called? Color window, yeah. Let me see. Let me check a different thing. Go back. Color window, color value. Yep. This does exactly what it does. Okay. Here's an easier thing we could do. We could do this. Instead of doing all of this, we could get stock object, right? We can get a stock object, black brush. Also, we don't need this. Get that away. Right? We're clean, we're gonna rebuild. And we're gonna exit out, not in here. We're gonna go hit debug. I'm gonna run this. Oh, sorry, no, let me clean that. This is no access because we had it running. Let's rebuild that. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna pop up again. Look at that! Black background. Look at that. Look at that. Holy moly. Holy smokes. What is that? Wow. Incredible. I know. Huge. This is huge. Now I don't have to bother with that blinding white background. Here, let me blow this up. You guys have to see this. Look. Look, that's a black background. Right there. Actually huge. Actually huge. Okay, so now that we have a funny black background, I actually want to go in here and change the text color as well. Since, you know, it is drawing black text on white, which isn't pretty. That is not pretty, especially if it's on black background. We don't want that. Yeah, exactly. Now your eyes don't burn. Let's see. Do, 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 do. It doesn't say anything here, so I suppose the default is pretty much black on a white background, so... Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Menu name. Another field here. Alright. I need to find something. I think it has to do with the paint here. The paint and the text here. So we're gonna keep on reading. Go back into reading about Wind Class X. Oh no, the walkthrough. We're gonna go back to the walkthrough. And so we register Wind Class X with Windows so that it knows about your window and how to send messages to it. Actually, we're gonna go back a little bit before we start messing with the text. We covered Wind Class X already, which is why I bothered to adjust the background here. Use the register class X function and pass the window class structure as an argument. The _t macro is used because we use the tchar type. And I believe we should have this already in here. So we register this class, and we pass it through as the argument, and we return a 1 if the message box, wait a minute, what's this? Hang on. Okay, this is like an exclamation mark. Why do we have the exclamation mark there? What does that mean? I'm gonna read more about it. Register class XW function. Okay, yeah, WinUser on .h. Okay, we don't need WinUser.h as a library. Okay. Unnamed parameter. Pointer to the Wind Class X structure. You must fill the structure with the appropriate class attributes before passing it to the function. This function registers a window class for subsequent use in the calls to the create window or create window X function. Alright. I think this is just like a little bit of logic involved, so like you're not just doing this flat willy-nilly. You have like a, some exception at check, and it's like, well, yeah, if everything works, then, life is good. And if not, yeah, if everything is good, then nothing bad happens. This runs as expected, I guess. So let's double check what this means again. Okay, we passed the window class structure as an argument, so now we have all of it. Oh, this is this bad boy here that has all of it is passed through as an argument for future use. And the _t is the macro since we use the tchar type. Okay, good to know. So the message box will scream at you if you do something really bad. Now you can create a window. Nice! Use the create window X function. Okay, here we are. So we're gonna create a window X right here. And here it has a couple static declarations that I don't actually see in this demo that I copy and pasted over. Let me see if I missed that somewhere. Oh, yes, it's all the way up here. That's right. They put it all the way up here. So this is just Windows class and the title. Yes. So window class is the name of the application. The title is the text that appears in the title bar. I'm gonna call this not desktop app, but not game this for now. It's the name. It is the name of the main window class name. Actually, no. Let's just leave it as desktop app. We don't have to change that. That is background stuff. That kind of makes more sense. Call it desktop app. You might even end up referring to it. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back here then. So, overlap window is an optional extend window style. Okay. Oh, that's oh wait, yeah, that's X. Okay. There's an X and there's just a WS. And so we have the type of window to create, which I believe should refer back to... No, it's right here. It's called the use default, and there's initial position. So that sort of spawns it on your screen if it's large enough, I suppose. Then we have a couple nulls because we don't have a parent for this window. This window has no parent, and this application does not have a menu bar, which is why these two are null. And we have H instance, which is the first parameter from when main. That's this thing here. I believe that should be the case. Parameter H instance, which is H inst. And so this, it says here, I don't know if you can see it when I highlight over stuff in Visual Studio. This is H instance, H inst right here thing. Is a stored instance handle for use in Win32 API calls such as find resource. So this is something I obviously shouldn't be touching. Is not game because it's not game, or is not game because it's serious business? It's not game because it is not game. Not game. But right now it's not game because it's not a game. I don't have anything. I mean, look at it. It's just, well, you know, this thing. This little thinky thing. It's just this window. Surely you're not serious. That's wrong. Well, no, that's right. I'm not. That's right and that's wrong. I'm not. Yeah, that's right. Oh. Well, that means this has to be as is, right? And so the H window has this message box. Okay, now we're getting into the message box. Let me scroll down further. Oh, this thing actually might be blocking stuff. Let me put it over here. Let me scroll down. Yeah. Let me scroll back down to what we were looking at. Right here. All of this stuff, right? So now we're looking at this X statement. So if I guess this exclamation mark kind of means like if something bad happens with this, right? If this returns crap, right? We get a message box that tells us auto-create window failed. Okay, no, and it returns 1, and you know that's like just a catch for like, oh no, you done goofed. So that's fine. And this function returns an HWB, this funny thing right here, which is a handle to a window. Handle to window. A handle is somewhat like a pointer that Windows uses to keep track of open windows. For more information, see Windows data types. Well, we don't care about that right now. We just want to pull up a window. At this point, the window has been created, but we still need to tell Windows to make it visible. That's what this code does. Aha! Show window, hwind, and the command show, right? Update window, hwind. So it shows the window and it updates the window. Okay. So the display window doesn't have much content because you haven't implemented the windproc function. In other words, the application isn't yet handling the messages that Windows is now sending to it. So to handle the messages, we first add a message loop to listen for the messages that Windows sends. When the application receives a message, this loop dispatches it to your windproc function to be handled. The message loop resembles the following code. And this is the main message loop right here then. So message while get message and message null. Okay, we grab the parameters, we translate the message, we dispatch the message, and return the message. Cool. And this keeps on running, I guess. And so for more information about the structures and functions in the message loop, see message, get message, translate message, and dispatch message. So at this point, the one-way function should resemble the following code, which I have. It goes all the way up to this thing, and it's like, well, okay, you can pull up a window, but, you know, and it checks for messages, but there's absolutely nothing else. You don't actually have any messages, right? So to add functionality to the windproc function, right? This function windproc. Where is it? We want to go on. Where did I put it now? Oh, I mean, where did this thing put it? Here. Windproc. Okay. All the way back up. Right. To add functionality. Right. To enable the windproc function to handle the messages that the application receives, implement a switch statement. No messages, just on my phone. Hey, me too! Windproc, so we want to... Hang on. Implement a switch statement. Which is... Where is it? It's this thing right here, this switch statement. One important message to handle is the WM paint Windows message paint message. The application receives the WM paint message when part of its display window must be updated, which is this bad boy right here. The event can occur when a user moves a window in front of your window, then moves it away again. Your application doesn't know when these events occur, only Windows knows. It notifies your app with a WM paint message. When the window is first displayed, all of it must be updated. To handle a WM paint message, first call begin paint, and handle all of the logic to lay out the text, buttons, and other controls in the window, and then call end paint. So this is the logic to lay out the text, the buttons, and other controls in the window. Then we call end paint. For the application, the logic between the beginning call and the ending call displays the string Hello Windows Desktop in the window. In the following code, the text out function is used to display the string. Okay. And that's kind of what we actually went ahead and messed around with. We had this thing here, this greeting right here that we changed from Hello World to Not Game. Here's how we got this thing right here, this window right here. And then, you know, we drew that with the text out right here. That all makes sense. That's the basic logic of it. So let's read on more. HDT and the code is a handle to a device context which is used to draw in the Windows client area. Use the begin paint and end paint functions to prepare for and complete the drawing in the client area. Begin paint returns a handle to the display device context used for drawing in the client area. End paint ends the paint request and releases the device context. Sure, okay, cool. An application typically handles many other messages. For example, WM create. Okay, we went through this before. WM create when a Windows is first created, and WM destroy when the Windows is closed. So we paint all of these when the Windows is closed. We post quick message. We help to destroy everything, all the objects, and then for some reason you have define Windows proc with all of this stuff. Oh wait, that's the case. That's the case catch, right? If we destroy stuff, we post a message, and then we break all of this. For default, we're not doing destroy. We're just gonna return all of this. So then that kind of goes back to returning all of this right here. Then we break, okay, which is handling all of that. And so we build the code, we build the example, and it all works. Okay. So we've completed this walkthrough and built a traditional Windows desktop application. I want to do something funny. Alright. See, this is text, right? And this is not game. If we do something like 1 plus 1, it's going to display the text of 1 plus 1. So, if I close not game, I'll close it here. And I go back here, I clean it. And then I rebuild. And then I run. We're gonna see a 1 plus 1. It kinda sucks that, like, it's still drawing in, like, black text over white, even though I changed the background to black. So I need to, like, look that up in, like, maybe begin paint or text out. So I can, like, change the proper parameters, or which I think should be within there. Yep, so this displays the text 1 plus 1. Now then, if I go here, and I go, okay, I'm gonna be a little bit mean. Oh, no, it's now undefined if I change that. That makes sense. Kinda mean. Because it's like, no, that is not a string. So, unfortunately, I want to do some math in here. And I don't know how you do that. I can define like an int, right? Int, right, and I set that equal to 40, right? It's gonna be like, alright, cool. And then, you know, we kinda exit not game, we clean it, and then we rebuild it. We open it up. Call it. It's like, okay, yeah, that's the same thing we were seeing, right? Yeah, okay. So, I guess this works. Can I do, like, reference? Can I do, like, how do I convert? Let's see. Yeah, that's right. How do I convert? C++? What does this do? Okay, I can use the string function to convert an integer. So what if I do this? I want to go string number. Does that work? No. I'm gonna do this. Maybe it's because it's below. It's above. Actually, maybe it's because this is above that. This thing is above this declaration, so we get something silly. I do. This one's right. Number. Yeah. No? Why is it bad? String is undefined. Identify. Okay. I just put this. No, identify. Oh, underscore string is. Oh, hang on. Hang on. I'm being silly. I'm being silly. 1 second. It's easily fixable. If this is how you do it. Right? No? Wait a minute. Whoops. Did I use the wrong thing? Did I use the wrong thing? Numstring is in the front. Hang on. Do I need to define like string? No. Hang on. I do this. Why is it like bad now? Is that okay? No, that's not okay. Alright, I'm being really silly right now. I think why am I being silly? One moment. I need to like wrap my brain around this for a second. Oh, that's because we're using what is it? HR. That's probably why. No. It doesn't like that. Maybe I'm being silly with that. This is for C out. This is for C out. My bad. My bad. I need to do, You do STD, I think. Yeah. Yeah. I believe it's, let's try this. Let's do, let's get A, right? It's gonna be 40. We do, right? So what's the big deal here? Identify string is not identified? What? Am I smoking something? Hang on. This, what? What? Huh? Oh wait, am I using C++? I'm using C++, right? Yeah. Okay. What? Why is this not working? What? Huh? What? A few arguments in the function called what? Huh? Huh? Eh? Oh. I need to... Wait, I already included string.h. Wait a minute. Should I just include string? Is that what's going on? No, this is still being a mean boy. What happens if I do this thing? Something like this equals. Aha! Okay. Now it's being a little bit more cooperative. A number, right? So if I do A string, right? Okay, that looks like it works. I'm gonna remove this completely. Yes. So then, what happens if I do this? I put in A string. It doesn't like that. But why? I put in a string. What's going on? Oh wait. Again, maybe it's because I have all of this up top. Is that? No, that doesn't fix anything. That doesn't fix anything. That's so strange. Let me think. What is the problem here? It's tchar. Okay. That means I need to read up on tchar. I understand how strings work. I understand how I just grabbed the conversion. It properly works for this one. So let's look up Windows tchar. What is tchar? Okay. Sure. Okay, let me find something dumber for me. Converting string to tchar. Let's see. How do I convert string to tchar? What do we like to do? Okay, we want to include the outstring at .h right here. Another library for the win. That is fine. That just kind of lets me do a lot of things with a lot less work. So now with this, we can go back here. I don't really care about this for now. And try these. I'm just gonna remain this as a not game. Not touching that. We're gonna make a new tchar. And we're gonna go in here. And we have a string right now. We converted the int a to a string. And so what we're going to do now, there we go, is set that string. So we're gonna do tchar. A tchar. And it has a certain character limit that we don't know yet. But we're going to set that equal to a string. Can I do that? No, it doesn't like that. Underscore t. It also doesn't like that. I can do a. Let's grab a specifically, right? It also doesn't like that. So let's say I give you 16. Just give you 16. Oh, that good. Yeah, 16 empty slots for 16 empty characters. And then with outstring, I believe I should be able to do this. So I do tchar, no, do underscore t, cs, y, underscore s, and I put in a colon. Sorry, not colon, I convert, so I have a tchar. That is a tchar. I want to add something in. And we convert this with a ca to t. Right? We put that there. And we want a string, right? Dot c underscore string. To do that. Okay, this I might have misspelled something. TCS UI underscore S. Is a generic string CPY version which works in both the Unicode and multi-character configurations. So to convert the constant character to T character, yep. That is strange. Let me save this. No update. Very strange. Huh. Huh. TCS what? Huh? I did include this, right? Yeah? Yeah? And then... I converted this to a string. Okay. Just take now. Oh, this is fine. This seems fine. This is not... What is this? Why is it bad? Why are you bad? Why are you bad? Okay. Whatever. Let's find a different method. Reading time. Let's go. Reading is for nerds. You're a nerd. Well, actually, no, you're not because you don't read. Maybe I missed the memo somewhere. Okay, yeah, we want to include outstring. So if we have a string, let's say we have a string, right? We want to point, yeah, we'll make a character. And it's a new character, okay, and we take a string, okay, and we grab that, we grab its size, and we add 1 to it. Okay, that makes sure you can fit it in. Actually, no. The size is... Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. Pick the size that want to make sure we can fit it in, and then we copy start to end, and then, okay, Uses conversion. What does that mean? Yeah, this is not safe practice, okay? Hmm. Hmm. Huh. Huh. I'm running when if you could, I need a teacher review for my curriculum function. So can I find out what okay. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Sure, sure, sure. And you're doing all of that. Here's your problem. A teacher is not a string, it is a macro that's defined as a character or W character underscore T, depending on whether Unicode is defined. The solution is kind of ugly. Yeah. Okay. This looks like the solution here. This is the solution. Let's copy paste that. Okay. So we make a string and we call it something, right? And we make this pointer parameter with, you know, this string size greater than 1. And param make the size equal to 0. And then we do this. We copy that into tchar, I think. Oh no, wait. It's actually a lot easier. It's a lot simpler. It's a lot simpler. Okay, I see what we're doing here. So, now that we have a string, right? We want to... Since we're going to copy that. We define a tchar. We want to point to it. Do... Let's call it the A string again. Oh no. Let's call it test tchar, right? Test tchar is a new tchar, right? Oops. With string, sorry, a string dot size. That gets the size value plus 1. Then we want stchar to be defined with a proper size. I'm not sure what the equals 0 does, but I'll trust that. And so we do some string conversion. We convert this copy the string from the start to finish. Into test tchar. I think that's how it works. Erase all of that. And I go in here, I can replace reading with test tchar. And the game should whine about it. Right? This works. Yes, this works. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Alright. I'm gonna close up Notte Game. Go project. I'm gonna go build. Clean. Rebuild. Oh. Conversion from size T to int possible loss. Yeah, right. Okay, same thing. Cool. Okay. Forwarding. Yes! It works! This is ideal. Okay, this is huge. This is also huge because now I can convert strings, whatever I want to write. Like, strings are, I suppose, easier to mess around with. To me, anyway. But I could probably just convert numbers directly into tchar. And tchar directly into numbers. Actually, hang on. Let me check that out. Let me check that out. Int into teacher. I want unsigned into teacher. Oh, okay, this is, sure. I guess that works. My char is equal to char int, yeah. T-char, yeah. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah. Well, I can convert strings into teachars now. All I need to do is pick up on how to convert numbers into teachar, but I think the way I'm going to be doing things will be a little bit convoluted. This sounds stupid, but hear me out. You know, I take some integers, right? And I need to convert them into strings. And I take the strings, and I convert them into teachar. And teachar goes into text out, right? That's how it works. That's how this works. Now, ideally, if I just want to output like a single integer, I could do integer directly into teachar. But really, there's like very little reason for me to just outright display flat numbers. Usually, I will be doing some sort of letters and numbers combination, right? I'll be like A, B, C, D, E, F plus 10 plus G. Something like that, right? Of course, that's like, this is bad syntax, but that's the idea. And so if I do this properly, then I'd end up with an output of like A, B, C. Oh, I don't even have E, D, and D, E, F, and G, right? This is what should be being outputted. That's what it should look like. I mean, I suppose a better example would be like displaying like HP colon, right? And then you'd plus like the HP value, right? So, which is an integer, right? It's a number. And then you'd plus like a slash, and you'd plus like HP max, right? Which is also an integer. So HP current, right? Something like that. This would be the output for your stats. And so if I'm gonna like write that, I need to turn all of this into a single string. So, I mean, I could convert that into teachar, but like, this is a little nasty. I don't want to do this every time, so I'm gonna have to convert this into a function that converts strings into teachars. But yeah, and maybe I need to find something that simplifies this into just a string. So like, can I do this? Is this legal? Something like this, right? Very simple. Where this is like the toString function. And it just basically takes this thing and converts it into a string for me. Something ideal like that. I'm pretty sure there's like a simple library for it somewhere in here. So then the only thing I would need to do is just kind of plug in the numbers here with this, then just convert that into a tchar. Then I can text out it. But that will be trouble for another day. I'm going to figure out how to draw extra lines in here now. Like, okay, text out, 5. Sure. The output like test character, sure. What happens if I, call another text out? Right? And apparently this didn't work out the first time. Where is it? Okay, right? Oh hey! It worked this time. Perfect. Okay. Maybe that does work. That does work. Okay. That's good. That's good. Clean. Rebuild. Run. Nice. Okay. You guys, are you seeing this? See here. Actually, let me fix something first. I'm gonna make it easier to see, because like right now, if you look at it, there's a little bit of an overlap. I say a little bit. It's covering the other thing. 1 second. Let me go back in here and then change the font to. Can I get I guess 30 pixels? Yeah, let's see if 30 pixels does the job. Project. Clean. Rebuild. Run. Nice! Look at that! Now I'm drawing text. Okay, now we have 2 texts. Very huge. Very huge. Nice. So good. Alright. So then, when I need to draw text every line, I need to make like another text out. And it'll just like push that out for me. It'll be like, yeah, if I need to write anything, then I need to go to the right spot and then write the right text in that right line. Okay. Good to know. So yeah, we can do multiple lines now. That works very nicely. And I suppose since we're just like making stuff right now, I'm not gonna bother with like the console input that I was talking about earlier. We're just gonna work with buttons. A menu and buttons. Let's program that in. I'm going to program in a button that changes text. And I think that'll be the extent of today, because then I can like copy and paste the buttons to replace more text depending on what happens. So let's look at Windows Desktop App buttons. Windows Apps buttons. Standard XAML button. Using a button control to let the user initiate an immediate action. Yes. Don't use a button to control when the action is to navigate to another page. Instead, use a hyperlink button control. Okay. Alright. Use a repeat button to control when the user might want to trigger an action repeatedly. So, for example, use a repeat button control to increment or decrement a value in the counter. That's kind of what we need right now. Okay, use a drop-down button control when the button has a flap that contains more options. This is for menus! Use a split button control when you want the user to be able to initiate an immediate action or choose from additional options independently. These are menus! Yes! Use a toggle button control when you want the user to be able to immediately switch between two mutually exclusive states. If a button is best fit for your UI needs. Oh my goodness, it has everything! This is exciting! It's really exciting. Okay, this is button layouts, whatever. Where's the code? Where's the code? Oh wait, this is XAML. Shoot. Hold up. This is for C#. Hang on. I want... Take me back to C++. How to insert a button inside Windows. Jackpot. Unfortunately, no. Wrong language. Wrong language. Desktop applications. Desktop bridge. Also creating an empty, adding files, working with resources. Resources for creating a game. Okay, this is probably what I need to read up on. Visual C++ is included. DirectX graphics and gaming has information and samples to help you get started with DirectX programming. Man, do I really actually need to, like, actually pull up DirectX? Buttons, huh? Like, I suppose it... Let's read up on this. Maybe this doesn't support for buttons. Storage, math... 2D, classic graphics, tools, controller input... Okay, but where are my buttons? Where are my buttons? Let's look at DirectX 2D. Let's see. Hardware accelerated immediate mode, 2D graphics, API that provides high performance and high quality rendering for 2D geometry, bitmaps, and text. I suppose so. We're gonna have to use this. Well, actually, maybe not. Programming guide, what does this do? Effects, brushes, geometries, interoperability, transforms. Okay, this is really all visuals, right? I just need a button. Is it really that hard? Do I just have to, like, work with the console? Okay, maybe we should just input a console. Maybe we should. Windows controls. Okay. I think this is it. I think this is what we want. Maybe custom draw. Is this what we're using right now? Hang on. No, it's begin paint. Okay, yes, control library is what we need. We have a button here. Alright, perfect. Button types. Yes. Yes, this is what we need. Okay, I'm back in. We're back in. I want a push button. So what is a BS push button? Standard push button is typically used to start an operation. Radio button is a random button. Oh, that's the radio button. Okay, so group boxes. Right, we want a push button. Button styles. Oh, okay. In C++, this is a button. This creates a push button for us. But we need to somehow draw it. Huh. Okay, let's look at Windows class examples. Button.ccp, button control class. I mean, button.cpp, not ccp. This code and information is provided as is without warranty of any kind. Okay, sure. Alright. So we want to include button H. So we actually want to include button.h. Yes. Cannot open source file button.h. Oh no. Ah. Alright. Let's ignore this. Let's ignore that. Create text. Okay, creates a simple button. You have a window, you have text on the button. Alright. And a button. Huh. Alright. For 1 second here, I'm going to copy and paste this code. Is this a good idea? No, it's a horrible idea. Hang on. Does it draw anything? No, it doesn't. It doesn't draw anything. Well, no, it does, but not for, like, a window. Does it? Let me look up, like, something smarter. Something smarter for a dumb me. Oh, hello there. Hi, I'm not this. I see you're watching. I see that emoji. Let's see, how to draw a button on Windows application. How to create a button. Win32 apps. Technologies, Windows controls. Okay, we're back. I see. Create window. Okay, use the create window function to create a button control. In the following C++ example, the MHWND parameter is to handle the parent window. The button push style specifies that a default push button should be created. Note that the size and position values must be specified because using CW use default for a button sets the value to 0. Okay. Create window function. What does this create window function do again? Void create window A, LP class name, DW style, when parent, and optional parameters. Yada yada, the word, whatever. What does this have to do with the actual walkthrough on how to make a desktop application? We want to start a Windows desktop application. So we initiate the Win API. That does a lot of things first in the background. Well, yeah. And then we create we create Windows X. What is... Alright. And that does all of that. So what's the difference between create window and create window X? Let's take a look at that. Create window X, okay. So what does create window X do? Create an overlapped pop-up or child window with an extended window style. Otherwise, the function is identical to the create window function for more information about create. Okay. So what does this do? Creates an overlapped pop-up or child window. Specifies the window class, window title, window style, and optionally the initial position. Okay. So we use create window function to create a button control. No menu, okay. I'm not sure where I'm supposed to put this, so I'm going to dummy copy paste this thing right after here. And of course, there's an issue. This obviously doesn't work. HWD, so undefined. Parent window. Parent window should be, where is it? Did I ever make a window? Oh, that was with Win callback, isn't it? Huh. Oh dear. What have I stuck myself into? Everything else works though. This is the parent window. This should be the parent window, right? Okay, no suitable function conversion. No suitable conversion function from one class X to H3MP. Okay. Okay. Can I get an even dumber example for me? Let's see. Buttons in Windows. GUI, buttons, and user input. Maybe this is it. Huh? Huh? What kind of tools is this video using? Okay, this is beyond me. I need something dumber. Give me something even dumber. Hold on. Let's get me text boxes and user input. What is this, though? What is this? What? Why? How? I just want, like, the bear, but why? Ugh. Ugh. Dumber. I don't need smart tools. I need the dumbest tool you can give me. The dumbest possible tool. Oh no. This is... This just pulls up the console. Do I just have to use the console for this? I mean, that's easier. See, that is definitely a lot less work. This just uses the console, I mean... Yes. We really don't need to pop up our own window. No. But, like, I already have half of it completed. I might as well, like, make it standalone. Sort of. You still have to, like, I think you still have to use Windows to actually get it to work. But I'm sure there are, like, various applications that do convert it. Man, this would be so much easier in HTML. I'm gonna be honest with you. HTML is just like, yeah, button? Yeah. Here's a button. and then, like, yeah. But, yeah, HTML does rely on browsers. Yes. I'll add buttons to the window, yeah. Yep. Let's see what this says on how to create buttons. Okay, maybe this is just print to the console and use fancy characters to pretty up things. Yeah, that's true. That definitely works. That definitely works out. Man. Okay. I see, so, okay, this is a good example. So, in the callback here, apparently, we have a switch with some cases, much like, this part here. But in one case, we have but the switch calls everything, and it doesn't have, whatever. Okay, I see. So, switches, the case there. I'm gonna create a button, I think. I'm gonna paint something. And there's a close and a destroy. Okay. I think this might work. Oh, you've done a little console game in the past? Yeah, those are fun. Maybe I should just break this down into a console. Honestly, popping up another window. I'm already invested in like what 2 hours into this. I'm learning, sure, but given those 2 hours, I probably could have just programmed a bunch of the logic already, and it would have been like, yeah, see out some strings, and wow, hey, all the text was there already. Yeah, let me punch in 1 and I hit enter. It's like, it already reads all the input. Easy! It's all there for you. Why did I sign myself up for this? I will never know. So, I'm gonna actually turn all of this into, yeah. I'm gonna turn all of this into text. Yeah, but your suffering is more entertaining. No! That cannot be! No, I get it. It makes for good content. I'm good with that, yeah. Get the small one feature. Wonder if you still exist somewhere. Maybe. Would be nice if you could find it. Nice to go through old projects sometimes. Result callback, switch, and then default return. Oh, I need a copy over that as well. Hang on. Actually, no. I can copy that. I can copy that over. That goes right here. Yes. Message is not identified. What's happening here? Oh, message. Yeah, there. There, okay. Message is undefined. Message here. Actually, is there anything different? Anything different in this text that we're procking? Let me copy paste that over. Nope. Everything is the same now. Okay. BTN button. Button 1 is undefined. Okay, where does this example call in a button? No button. Where's button? Button, button. Button? No button? Define, okay, we just kind of defined button 1. Is there anything I need to port over? No. Okay, we gotta go all the way up here and then, like, define button 1. So what is button, BTN button 1? What does that do? Root macro to cons. You know what? Sure. Let's apply that. I don't know what that does. I'll be honest with you. But we're gonna run this. And I'm gonna hope that a button shows up. Oopsies! Typecast conversion from const int to h menu of greater size. Nope. Something is wrong. Uh-oh. Alright. I'm gonna call it... I'm gonna ignore buttons for now. We're gonna say no buttons. Not today. No buttons for today. I want to go back into paint and text out. We're gonna see if we can fix the color here. Set text color function. Text. Let's see. Paint. Actually, let me go to Windows Menu Paint, right? Is that what it means? I don't know. Maybe it's not. That's not what it means. Maybe paint message. Okay, what does this say? Group process. Like, yeah, sure. No, send message. Switch message. Paint. Okay, go. Cool. Text out. Text out. Set background color. Okay. The background color sets the function, the current background color to the specific color value, or the nearest physical color. If the boss cannot represent the specific color. Okay. Make a color ref value, use the RGB macro. Void RGB, okay. Where do I want to put this? Probably in here, right? It should be 0, 0, and 0. Yes. for now, this will do, I think. What happens if I do it again? Is it gonna yell at me? Oh, no, you can't do that. Let's go 255, 255. Like, okay. Alright. Make me avoid RGB object. Let's see if I can turn these into like proper objects. Well, to be fair, I really don't need this. I can just, be lazy and say get stop object, black brush, and it'll give me the black color. Or I can get white brush. So I guess I'm not too worried about that. Let's ignore that for now. Color rough, set text color in, and okay, return value. The text color is used to draw the face of each character written by text out. Function. The text color is also used in converting bitmaps. For example, okay, let's see an example. What is a menu template? What is going on here? Okay, background, wet brush, right? Gotcha. Okay, create a window, sure. Message with a message. Switch, command, switch. Base. Huh? That is the class menu. Alright. So then... where is the actual, like, text color, though? Let me check, what do I need here? What is the syntax gonna do? Set text color, where does that happen? Okay. Raw item. Raw item? We are begin paint. Ah, it's a paint. It's WM paint. What case is this? I need to get the pointer to the menus, items, draw item structure. Okay, structure of my item structure. Oh man, There's so much in here to unpack. Holy moly. Hang on. Oh boy. All result API entry main window prop. Main window prop. We have a main window prop. Not just any window prop, but a main window prop. Dang, okay. Oh, okay. Color wrap CR text. Text color of unselected item. Oh, wait. Okay, I see what this thing is doing. This is a little bit more complex. This is an example menu that I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at an example menu code that Microsoft has so gladly provided it on its website for you to learn for free. If I can read properly. And what it does is, I believe it should pop up a main window. Kind of like what I have got going on right now. And it has some items in it, right? And so when I select the item, it changes the background color and the text to, you know, represent that it's selected. Oh man, this is a lot. This is a lot to digest. But it makes sense. This is actually what we want. We do want the menu. That is true. Dang. Okay. Wow. There's so much here. But this does assume that you do know how to set up the actual window, first and foremost. I can't just willy-nilly slap this into the actual programming. You find a way to like slide it in. When main. Okay. Let's take a look. Do I have win main? No, I have win prop. Okay. This is a little different. Oh boy. This one tracks the specified mouse position. Wow. Oh dear. Shortcut menu, huh? Dang. Hang on, I'm getting distracted here. Let me just try and see if I can break down how I can change the text color. Or the set text color. Let's look for that. So if this thing is selected, we set the text color. This is the background color. Okay, and it does that really simple with like two things, but like two lines that refer to a bunch of other stuff. That does not help me. That refers to the actual like items in the menu, not the just like raw plain text. I wanna give me something dumb. Give me like the dumbest thing, the simplest thing you can do with this. Windows. Desktop app. Text color. Actually, let me put C++ out there for a good search. No, this is... Darn it! No, this one is for console. One is for the console. I don't need it. And this set text color function seems to be what I'm supposed to do, but... I really might just do console at this point. This is a big pain. This is a big pain. This is a big pain. This message is dumb. Yes. I need a proper example. I can't read. Okay. Let's see what this guy's doing here. You create, call back. Here's your main. You set your brush to a proper color, proper RGB color. Yes. Man, what does this do here? H brush. Okay, so we create a brush. Yes. They make their own brush object, which works perfectly fine. That I can understand. Where does that get used? Okay, that's only for the background though. I want text. How do I do that? Because I'm drawing a text over right now. And that's not what I want to see. No, I don't think this is the right example. Oh man. Yeah, that's true. Console is good to start, and everything else can be just kind of stacked over. Because at the end of the day, the what do you call it? The window part, like this window thing. This thing right here is at the very end of the day simply like a visual aid. It's only what the user sees. So if console is what we have to do, and then we can start like tinkering with like a proper visual, then yeah, console is what we'll do. We'll do that. I'll do that. Let's start a console then. Okay, FCC, yeah. Gotta kinda. Oh, how do I? Let's go all the way back. Let's go start the simplest of CPP. I mean, CPP programs. CPP console. Hello world. Hello world. How do you do it? It's literally this easy. It's very, very easy. Clean not game. Rebuild not game. Oops. Yeah, what happened? Can I build? I can't open the file. What in the world did I do? I broke something. Maybe it's easier to start maybe it's easier just to start another project. And then work my way around that. Make a new project. Okay, you guys aren't actually seeing any of this. That's alright then. Yeah, it's gonna be a console app. What kind of console app? C-sharp? No. Console. That's the C-sharp. I don't want C-sharp. Do I have a C++? There we go. Yes, this is what I need. Alright. Okay. Not console, yes. Okay, here we go. This is not console. You guys are looking at not console. me build. It builded. Okay, it done did build. Let's go into the right thing. Debug. Cost.exe. Huh? Why? You... Oh. It just... Right. Right, how did it forget? It pops up, it runs, right? And then it closes instantly on itself because there's nothing left. Okay, hold on. Let's wait for user input. Wait for user input. Yeah. Do what I mean. Okay, std. Yeah, hello world. It picks up hello world. We want a cin. Input. I'm gonna call it input. And then I want a string. Hold on. It's not like the divide. What am I doing wrong now? Right. Let me include string. You are sure not cooperative. What is wrong with string? Do I have to put this in front of everything? Everything for you guys? Sure, alright. I see how it is. Okay. Now the program should wait for me to do something. Yeah! Alright. Okay. Yep. Here we are. Check this out. I'm gonna get another capture going. Yeah. Look at that. There's our console. Hot game. I'll close that for now. This temperature. Now this makes life a lot simpler. Alright, and then I can do an input. Let's see. We'll do a while loop actually. So while. So let's go back. We have a string that's called input, right? A while input is not equal to it. Oh. Syntax, C syntax. Right. Let me do all of this. Ask for input and rebuild. Okay. If input is equal to, let's say, actually, let's make this easier. 0, right? It is equal to 1. I'll just do a C out. actually, that's fine. Yeah. So if I hit the 1, it'll print out Notte Game. I think this should work. And I hit the 0 if I hit... This makes it a lot simpler. Sit every coder before crying to sleep. Okay, so if I hit 1... Not game! 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 Yeah! And if I hit 0, it closes on me. Yes! Well, I mean, I hit 0 and I hit enter. Oh my goodness. So easy. Life is so simple now. Incredible. Incredible. Unbelievable. Unbelievably easy. Wow. Oh man. It's not even a challenge anymore, is it? No, it is. It's still gonna be a challenge. Yeah. Here comes the fun part. We now have a not game generator. Yes! Revolutionary. It will change the gaming industry. So now we just have our main, right? And what we want our main to do is if I actually like pop up a notepad here. And I'm gonna close you. No, not you, you. Okay. Right now you are looking at notepad. Okay, good. We have the main body, and the main body is in charge of looping through. So when we don't care about background, we want a menu and a calendar update. So what's the main menu looking like? So we have main menu. Main menu moves through the options of branch, enter tournament, and visit area. Visit. Okay, perfect. So that means we have 3 different inputs. So if I hit 1, 2, or 3, I'll actually rename these. And then this is... Okay, this is... Okay. No, not yet. No, I don't want all of these here. I want to get input, yes. That's important. But then... I'm gonna do... main menu. I wanna do main menu. So... something like this. Input. Okay, so input needs to be in here. Identifier input. Oh, sorry. Input, right? Oops. Potential fixes. There you go. So this takes it in a string and it checks if the input is some sort of number. I don't know why I choose string. I could get by with like an integer, like a number. Why am I using a string? I mean, I guess that future proofs if I do want to like start typing in stuff instead of just like an 11, 12, 13, or like 10, whatever. Even though, like, options can really be just simplified as 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Maybe we can do A, B, C, D later on. Who knows? It works. If it works, it works. So, hmm. Okay. This is interesting because I have a while input, right? So while the input is 0, I want to call main menu. Right? I call main menu. And then let's just do something like into branch, right? Branch menu. Because it also takes an input like input string. And then what does branch have to oh you guys aren't seeing this, my bad. Hang on. Let me pop this up. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So I want to see out, I think. I'm gonna call main menu. Main menu says, main menu prints out something like 1. Range. 2. 2 would be status? No, 2 is... Yeah, let me close this window so I can see. 2 is tournament? Three is visit, and 0 is exit. Put. Right? It's not range. Gonna print out range, and this should print out tournament, and this should print out visit. Right? Technically, after printing out range, actually, let me fix that. I'll put that in here, range menu, because it should call range menu, and it should be input. Oh, no. What if I did this? What happens if I do this? Does this work? No, it doesn't. Of course it doesn't. Oh, that's because I'm mixing. Hold on. Whoops. Can you do this? Oh, my bad. No, I can't. Let's do this instead. That works, right? No, it doesn't. It doesn't work. Okay, hold up. This doesn't work then. It does not like taking in anything. That is fine for me. I just need to change up a couple of things. Here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Oh, we have to declare it in here as well? Okay, that works. Gotta do that. Okay, yep. Awesome. Why are you... Oh. okay, I see. Wait, can I do this, actually? No, I want you. Can I put you in here? Nah. Nah. We don't need that. Okay. This menu... No, we don't need that anymore. We also don't need this. There's a couple of logical breaks and flows that I'm probably missing. Well, not probably, that I am missing. But I believe everything should work almost as intended. What I want to just kind of cement is that... Actually, let's build it and run it. Whoops! Main menu identifier not found. Am I being stupid? Am I being absolutely dumb? What is going on? Why can't it build? This thing told me I was doing perfectly fine, right? I trusted the, what do you call it? The debugger eyes. Huh. Branch menu identifier not found. Okay, let's see here. It's unidentified identifier. The following sample generates this error. So, because the identifier isn't defined, we have that thing. It's a void, okay. Int main. F is whatever. Oh! Okay, I see. I'm being silly. Yeah. Should be void. Right? I think that should fix it, right? Oh. Yeah, you don't return anything. And, identifier not found. Why? Oh, is it because... No, that can't be. Don't tell me I have to put main at the bottom. No way. Oh, you're kidding me. Of course, like, the dumbest thing I pulled. Okay. Um, yes, of course. Everything has to be on top. Right. That's gonna be... That's gonna be awkward. Because, like, we're looking at all the small things up top now. I wonder if there's a remedy for that. It's okay. I'm gonna rebuild it and run it. Okay. Now we are seeing ranch tournament is input. If I hit 0, the game... lost main menu again. Why? I have no clue. It won't quit. Okay. I hit 1. That sends us to ranch. Now after going to ranch, since nothing happens, it resolves, and we loop back into this while loop, which calls main menu again. And that just asks for another input. All good. So I need to, of course, fix that quick stuff, and add tournaments, and add visits, and expand the ranch option menus, right? Menu surfing. Let's go. But yeah, that is pretty much how it'll work. Now, another thing here is that I kind of want to not have everything in just like one fat file, but I might be forced to. And hopefully, to be fair, like, it shouldn't really like be too big. Maybe. It's not good practice to have everything all in one big file. So I need to do something about that. The menus themselves could maybe be like standalone. You know? Like, this is not console, main, and main just kind of calls main menu from like some other CPP file, and main menu calls ranch menu from some other CPP file. They're just kind of separate all of these in like really small, proper micro functions, basically. And that way, I have, it's like all these voids need to be declared before like main ever happens, right? So I wonder if I can do anything about that. Okay, let's do this. Whoops. Let's do this. No. Obviously, it does not like that. Yeah. Object-oriented programming hate. Well, it's not that bad. It helps you put stuff in boxes. Yeah, but yeah, I do get, I get you. It is... Okay. Alright. Yeah, this has gone on for a good while now. We can call it a day. We'll come back. We have a good base. I'll pull this up soon. And by soon I mean like tomorrow, I think, right? Around the same hour, we'll have another stream to like expand on this. And we'll end up like getting the console to work. Let's go. It's looking good. Yeah, so that will be all for today. I've been your host, Notte, have a good rest of your day. Or, and wherever you are, have a good rest of your day. おつのでした。おつおつ